today with another video. Now before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you are new and you like what you see, and if you are subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I'm going to be showcasing a bob from the company Myfirstwig. I hope that you guys are not tired of bobs, because I am not tired of showing you. I told y'all before, it's always bob season, but it's like bob season. It's hot outside. I know in Houston it is like 100+ degrees some days. It's ridiculous, okay? And so if we are gonna rock a wig, we're gonna make sure that we're real comfortable. We don't want too much hair on our neck, and we'll save the other wigs for, you know, different occasions later on in the night, but we want something for every day, simple and easy. Now this is what the bag looks like when you take it out of the box, and of course you can store your unit in the bag. And then they also sent over an elastic band to tie your edges down with the front of your hairline, this beginner wig kit which has a comb and 2 clips, and then of course the flyaway tamer. Also sent over a wig cap. I love when they send over these darker ones just because I feel like the darker ones are a bit easier to blend in. And let's talk about the wig, because y'all like, I don't want to hear all that. All right, that's fine, that's fine. All right, so I'm just gonna take the netting off of this beauty. Is their blonde highlight wig, and your girl got this in a silky texture. I know, but your girl is doing the silky today. And you can see that this unit is a bit long, so this is like a longer bob. 16 inches in length. It also says that this is 160% in density, and that is what the highlights are looking like. It does come with your 13x6 parting space area. It comes with 2 combs on the side. You also get a comb in the back, your adjustable strap. You also get this elastic band. And as you can see, it does come with your bleached knots. Website, I noticed that they have different options for customization. I'm still, you know, trying to figure all that out, and make sure to leave the details of the unit that I will be showcasing today down below in the description area. So this is sitting really snug on my head because I've tightened up everything. I have to like maneuver this down, but I don't want to pull it too much because I don't want to worry about ripping the lace. So let's go ahead and get into this hairline. This hairline is pre-plucked. It's looking good. Not gonna have to go in and do anything. So very appreciative of that. And then the parting space, of course, I'm gonna elongate the parting space, but this is what the parting space is looking like. And of course you can, you know, go over with your parting space. I think they did a really good job with bleaching the knots on this. I don't feel like it's over bleached, and I like how it's, you know, nice and open. I think the length on this looks really nice. Now I'm usually used to my bobs coming like right here, no longer than 14 inches. Density on this feels nice so far also. Even though this is a silky texture, I don't feel like it's too silky. Also the luster on it looks really good. I don't feel like it's coming off shiny, and the highlights on this look good. They're looking good so far. take me any time to install this. The hair on this is really nice and soft. I am noticing some flyaways going on and also some frizziness. So because this is a silky texture, you are definitely going to have to go in with some serum. As you can see, and I was kind of rubbing towards the ends of the hair because that's where I noticed it was starting to get a bit more frizzier at. I did install this glueless. I used a little bit of my olive oil foam, and then I put some bobby pins on the side for extra security. I tightened up my straps and everything, so it's really snug on my head. I honestly could have taken the silicone grip off. I don't usually have any issues with this company as far as fit goes, but yeah, this is not moving at all. I had to go around the ear area and cut off some lace, not too much, but these are my sideburns right here, and then I kind of tuck the lace and put the bobby pin back here, and then I pull some of the hair over so it wouldn't show too much. However, if the wind blows and everything goes back, you know, it still looks really realistic without the lace showing. Didn't have to go in and do any plucking. I left this as a middle part. However, you guys seen with the parting space, you can move your parting over. I added a little bit of powder up in this area. I did notice it was a bit more open kind of right in here. It's not like balding or anything, but I just noticed it was more open, and then I put some powder back here and just a little powder in between this. The lace on this is melted down really well to my skin. I mean, look at that. That is melted really well, and that's because they have their Swiss lace, and it's also tinted, so you're not going to have any issues with blending this down to your skin. I did have to go in with that wax and kind of lay everything down up at the top because of the flyaways, and you can kind of see them if I turn a certain way. You probably can't see them on camera, but I had to go in with my hot comb and really press everything down. It's laying nice and flat, but those shorter hairs are definitely peeking through, especially towards the top area, and I'm noticing it more where like the highlights are. And speaking of highlights, I do feel like they did a good job with the placement on this unit. When I turned around, I feel like it looked good. The cut on this is nice. I love that the ends look really nice and full, so if you wanted to put into a ponytail, it's not going to look thin. So I do feel like the density is on point. I'm used to going a little bit shorter when it comes to my bobs, but I think that this is a great everyday length, especially if you don't want it too long, but you aren't really feeling like the bob going up this high. So I think that this is cute. I did flat iron this unit a few times, a little bit more in the front. I had to go over right in this area, and that's because of where the highlights are, and I noticed it was frizzier. So I wanted to make sure I got it really straight. I said I like that the hair doesn't have like a shiny look to it, even though it's a silky texture. I'm not mad at it. You guys know I usually go for yucky, but this time I wanted to try out the silky look, and I feel like it still looks good. Shedding and tangling goes, I'm not getting any tangles at the moment. However, I did run across a little bit of shedding. But guys, let me know what you think about this unit. Are you feeling the glueless installs? Do you like the length on this? If you are feeling this one, I'm going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.